Gotta fix a cab corner. That's gonna be a next project that we know absolutely nothing about. Those two things we suck at is making videos and welding, so this ought to be interesting. Two old Rascals.
That's me.
One 1965 Chevrolet C10 truck.
Get your that damn thing on, blow it, like I said.
Hey, perfect.
Yeah, that's what it's going to. It's going to be straight up like that.
Window handle. They got window handle. They don't know what to do. If they ain't got electric windows, they don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, thick that bond over.
Gee.
1/4 inch thick. Oh.
Yeah, still got to come up some more. Yeah, we're under the hood, in the hood. This is Crackhead Central. We ain't out in the country with the cows. We in the city with the crackheads. So that's why we have to keep an eye on our junk when we're working on it. There ain't nothing on here damn high dollar, for damn sure. So if you like watching two old guys work on some junk, it ain't gonna be damn junk when we get done with it. But if you want to hang out with us, hit that subscribe button. We usually here every Saturday doing something.
Welding. I think we're good at it. We got a hellish gap ready. I'm gonna have to be taking all that off and beat this metal out.
Yeah, that thing rough, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing there's like a pounded steak. Woo. Damn. Well, that opened up a bigger can of worms. Instead of replacing the cab corner now, all this up here is dented and beat in where somebody had hit something on it, I guess. So we got all the Bondo out of it. So we're going to put a piece up here too. Yeah. Joys of old junk. Alright. We'll see you on the next one. We'll figure out what to do with that later.
Yeah. See you later, guys.